Commercial Property Management Services with Harland Property Management, a San Diego-based property management firm. At Harland Property Management, we specialize in managing a wide range of commercial properties, from retail centers and office buildings to industrial complexes. Whether you own a small commercial property or a large-scale development, we understand that successful management involves more than just collecting rent and handling repairs. We also understand that managing commercial properties requires a broad range of services beyond just handling day-to-day tasks. That's why we offer a comprehensive suite of services specifically designed for owners and investors in the San Diego area. We begin with property maintenance and compliance, making sure your property is always in great shape and up to code. This not only keeps things running smoothly, but also helps protect your investment. Next, our retail vacancy marketing is all about finding the right tenants fast, so your property stays occupied and profitable. We handle everything involved in tenant placement, from screening and leasing to making sure your new tenants are a perfect fit. When it comes to rent collection, we manage it efficiently to ensure you get your payments on time without any hassle. Our accounting and reporting services keep you updated with clear, detailed financial info, all accessible through our easy-to-use online portals. We know problems don't stick to office hours, which is why our on-call property managers are available 24/7 to handle any issues that come up, giving you peace of mind. Plus, both you and your tenants will have access to our user-friendly, web-based portals for seamless communication and management. Want more information? If you're a property owner looking for more information on how our comprehensive property management services can help you maximize your investment, please don't hesitate to reach out. Contact us today or visit our website to learn more. We're here to help you every step of the way.